Good morning, children. Today, this class we discuss about the articles. So now let us start. Articles are used to specify the number of nouns. So articles are used to specify the number of nouns in a sentence, and articles are the determiners. There are three articles in English. They are a, an, and the. So now let us in detail know about the articles. First, an. We used an article for vowels. Here A, E, I, O, U is the vowels. You have to carefully put the article an before the vowel sound. So you have to put an in front of the vowel sound. Here I wrote apple, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. See, A, E, I, O, U. These five words are begins with a vowel sound. So you have to put an article in front of the vowels. Next, a. So we used article A in a general statement. Okay. So we should not talk about specific things or specific in a specific sentence in specific statement. Okay. We called a table, a ship, a pen, a pencil. Okay. So and second thing is we used article A in front of consonant word. In front of consonant word, you already know A, E, I, O, U is the vowels. Other than A, E, I, O, U, whatever the alphabets are called as consonants. Okay. So you have to remember the first thing is A is used in a general statement, and second thing is in front of consonants word we have to use article A, and third point is first time we have to use the article A in a first time in a sentence. Okay. For example, this is dash brilliant book. This is dash brilliant book. So here brilliant book is not a specific book. Not a, I should not specify the Shakespeare book, Rabindranath Tagore book. Okay. I simply tell you brilliant book. Okay. This is a general statement. So I used A. This is a brilliant book. Okay. Next article the. We used article the in a specific statement. Okay, in a specific time. And then next it is a second time. We used the is a second time. For example, I hate dash mango. Dash mango was sweet. Here I hate a mango. Okay, I hate a mango. I used a because here m is a consonant word. Okay, consonant sound. And next in the second time I also talk about the same first time mango. Okay, so I used the mango. The mango. I hate a mango. The mango was sweet. Okay, you should remember the point in the article the used in a specific time, and it is also used in a second time. Okay, so you have to write these questions in your homework book. Fill in which article best complete each sentences below. So first one is, can you tell me dash story? Can you tell me a dash, sorry, can you tell me dash story? Here in a bracket a, an, and the, you have to put right article in the fill in the blanks. Second one, I live in dash state of California. I live in dash state of California. Next, third one, I saw dash elephant at the zoo. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. Fourth, I am going to dash a restaurant after the school. I am going to dash a restaurant after the school. Yes, once again I repeat. Can you tell me dash story? I live in dash state of California. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. I am going to dash restaurant after the school. Okay, you have to write in your homework book. Thank you, children.